Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. What is up, you Kalimbackers? Welcome back to me. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to play 10,000 Reasons by Matt Redman, and this song is requested by Lloyd Bartolome. Mr. Lloyd is a pastor. Shout out to you, Pastor Lloyd, and to your church. Stay at home, stay safe dyan sa Pilipinas. We can still do online worship, right? And shout out to the sponsor of my t-shirt, Marvin Aleon. I remember your sister, your, anong tawag dun? Bayaw, alright? Your sister's husband, si Joseph, and Tita Luz, shout out sa inyo. Salamat sa pagluluto nung anong tawag dun? Yung pizza bread na niluto ni Joseph. So, I remember you because I used Marvin's t-shirt. Alright, akin na ba to or hiniram ko lang? Anyway, alright, let's proceed with the song. Here's a piece of paper with all the chords that you need for this song. We're playing in key of G. I'll give you a couple of seconds to take a look at that while I have a sip of my water here. Right, key of G. Well, in G, we're using C. We have G itself, E minor, D, and a variation of D, which is D6. So we're using those chords. Alright, so if you know them already, let's proceed. But if you don't, let me give you a quick tutorial. C is just here, 3rd fret, number 3 finger, dito sa last string. Okay, and G, you have your 2 fingers here, 1 and 2, 2nd fret, and here, 3rd fret, eto, ring finger or number 3 finger. Okay, G, C, E, E string. Alright, so we have E minor, ladder chord. Looks like a ladder, just observe it. Okay, sounds like this. And D. The variation of D, okay, you have your D here, 2nd fret, lahat ng strings sa taas. When you go to D6, it goes like this. Use number 1 finger and bar it to the 2nd fret, on the 2nd fret of your ukulele, and that's it. Alright, so for strumming pattern, we're using this basic strumming pattern, down, 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 up. Okay, and if you will do it continuously, it will sound like this. Down, just feel the rhythm. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So it sounds like that. Okay, and most part of the song, halos lahat, almost all parts of the song, you're using that strumming pattern. There's a little variation sa ilang part, but you don't need to worry about that because generally, ito yung strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So, let's get started. Alright, so let's proceed with the beginning of the song, which is the chorus. As for intro and chorus, you can use the same chord progression. Alright, there's no difference at all. By the way, I have made a song sheet for you. It's downloadable for free. You can just check out the link below so you'll have your copy of the song sheet while listening or watching my tutorial. Alright, so let's proceed with the beginning of the song, which is the chorus. As for intro and chorus, we have the same chord progression. So you can use this as your intro as well. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm giving you chorus and verses because that's it. This song has basically two structures. It is composed of the chorus part and the verses. So you just need to repeat that over and over again. So you may download the how do you call that? What's that? The song sheet I have made, and you can have your own copy. So you just need to practice it. Okay, now I'm going to play the chorus, and then after this we will break it down. So it sounds like this: chorus and intro. Ten 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 D. C, E minor, C, D, E minor, ten, ten, and ten, ten, C, C, G. Okay, so sounds like that. So what are we doing there? Alright, so let me break down the chorus for you. It sounds like this. It goes like this. Bless the C, Lord, oh my G, soul. then D6, oh my, E minor, Sol. Then you go to C, worship your G, holy D, name, stay here a little bit longer, sing like C, never be, E minor, 4. Then when you reach oh my soul, you're having C, D, E minor, oh my soul. It's so high. Okay, and then I'll worship your D, C, G. Alright, and then after that, we go to the verse. Again, there's a song sheet for you. It's downloadable for free, so you can practice it by your own. Okay? So I'll play the verse again. I'll play the verse now. And so it's the same structure with the verses ng mga susunod verses 1, 2, and 3. Okay? The chorus, the same then. So you already got the chorus. So let's go to the verse. The sun comes up. Ten, 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 and G. This is the third time. And then E minor. A little bit longer. So what are we doing there? You're seeing in your screen the chord progression that we are using. And as for the verses, we're using 3 times. Ito yung C, G, D minor, D and E minor. So C, G, D, and E minor, you're playing that 3 times, di ba? The third time, E minor is a bit longer. There's like additional beats. So after that, the fourth time, instead of playing E minor as the last chord, you're playing G. So it is replaced by G, as you see in your screen. Let me break it down. So, the sun comes G. It's a D, E minor. It's time to G and D, E minor. Whatever may pass. This is the third time. And whatever lies, E minor before me. Longer. Let me be singing when the evening G comes. Okay, so you get that? That is your verse, and you just need to repeat that over and over again. If you want some more guides sa YouTube, you can just play the original song by Matt Redman, and you will see how the tempo goes, and you can study it by your own. Alright, so what do you want to learn next? Please comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you appreciate this video. This is a short tutorial, but that's all you need. Please check out my other videos. I'm teaching ukulele and kalimba. You Kalimbackers. See you in the next video. Thank you. Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Paalam.